Dartmoor National Park. It's a rough and rugged moorland in the southwest of England. Home to wild ponies, its winding gravel paths lead to windswept, open spaces and craggy landscapes. We decided it'd be a perfect place for a two-day bikepacking trip, just as a storm and high winds were forecast to arrive. Join Aya and I as we arrive early in Dartmoor, pack our gear up, and head out for our two-day bikepacking adventure in the high winds. So set off and it's instantly started raining. Well, welcome to Dartmoor! See ya! I think that's the quarry over there. Let's go have a look. Heyo! Feeling good? This is the first time riding with a pannier rack, so this should be a good trip to test it out. It's already starting to be loose in places, so we just have to give it a quick tidy up.
If we stand here, whoa! Fine. Windy.
Right, bit of bushcraft. Oh yeah! Whoa! We'll have a coffee and then we'll head back out in the wind. After I've had a coffee, I feel much better. Right, let's go see Dartmoor.
This is rocky.
Wow.
What's happened?
So we've lost a screw. It looks like it's just pinged out, snapped right off. So to stop this getting caught in the gears, we're just going to take it off. We'll just hope that the thing can continue holding its own weight. to be honest, I think this is doing a whole load of nothing. But it was fun. Huh? Huh? Alright, it's not my best start.
It's more of a windbreak, I guess. If it rains, well, we've got a tent.
I don't know.
I hate it, it's rubbish.
Cool.
One of the best things about Dartmoor is that you can legally wild camp here, so there's no need to worry about being moved on once you've set up camp for the night. We've linked some useful information below to help you plan your next trip. Dinner tonight is leftover chili that we made and froze. Yeah, just hand me that knife.
Yeah.
What were the pants? Going everywhere.
As the wind picked up, we decided to head back into the tent for what would be a very long and noisy night. Good morning! Good morning! It was windy all night, smashing the tent from start to finish. It was supposed to be thunder and lightning this morning. But no sign of it. Actually, it looks like it was a lot clearer than the forecast suggested. So, oh, it's quiet. Oh, there's no wind around this side. Just gonna take a minute here. Oh, that's nice.
I didn't sleep very well. So windy.
It was very, very windy.
You were fast asleep.
I was
I kept looking at my phone like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m.
Yeah, I didn't mind so much. Relocate back to the tent, which got very, very wet. Okay, breakfast in the tent instead, which we completely washed out. It was only like a 2-minute shower, but it just was enough to get us completely drenched. Damn, that looks alright actually. We've probably been in this tent for probably like 13 hours now. Because it got dark at 7, and then the clocks went back, and it's now 9:30. Someone do the maths, but that's 13, 14 hours? To replace the yarn that came off yesterday, some cable ties will have to do, and it's just stopping it moving just enough, I think. It doesn't have to last very long. For the last stretch of the journey, we swapped bikes, giving Aya some well-deserved front suspension and myself a chance to test out the smaller commuter bike. I admit it wasn't easy and I had to acknowledge the hard work she'd been putting in. We're keeping our eye out for an upgraded setup, but for now, we're enjoying putting the bike through its paces and hope to enjoy a few more rides with this cheaper setup.
Thanks for watching this one. It's been a really good one-nighter in Dartmoor. We barely scratched the surface of Dartmoor, so we're going to have to come back and see the rest of it.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Bye. Ow! Ow!